Everyone, ngayon ang planner na amoy sa nakatawag sa
Actually guys, itong grouping na meron tayo ngayon is parang somehow pinagsama-sama ni Christian yung na na-identify namin or niya na merong konting or conflict.
Sobra, ya. Ya, dere.
So basically, like, okay, like, how do you deal with people na namin sa conflict ba? Like, example, like,
Sobra. Ako yung pinaway open forum, dere.
like, for example, okay, let's start with that. Like, how do you deal with Ian with that particular activity, and Michelle with Juliet with that particular activity?
Do you have conflict with the guys? Wala na.
Before the get started.
Yeah.